This is the story of an abandoned kitten and the crow that came to love him. The kitten belongs to Anne and Wally Colito of Attleboro, Massachusetts, the very people who shot these home movies.
Him and I, we've been married 52 years. We have an amazing story to tell you.
Like so many uplifting stories, this one begins with cruelty and heartbreak. Cassie began life as an abandoned waif. Someone actually tossed her over a fence into Anne and Wally's yard. She was so small, at first Anne thought she was a rat. But right from the start, she was adopted by Moses, a wild crow with no known history of humanitarian benevolence.
She trusted no one but the bird. When Cass would go in the road, she'd do everything she knew to get him out of the road. Oh, Mother Hen, that's what it sounds like, not a crow. I called the kitten Cassie from a soap, TV, and Moses, I named him Moses because of the mistakes he made.
Mo the crow made sure that Cassie stayed healthy. This included feeding her.
He put his feet into the ground and took out food and put it in Cassie's mouth. We were shocked. We couldn't believe this was happening.
Cassie and Moses bonded.
From dusk till dawn, they were together.
Cassie eventually learned to love and trust the Colitos, but her best bro will forever be Mo the crow.
They make a beautiful pair. I think they'll always be best friends.